Hey everybody, welcome to my channel Tarot Warrior. My name is Aparna and I'm here today to do a current feelings reading for the sign of Libra. This is going to be a general reading, may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. Take what resonates, leave the rest. So let's get started, Libra. Let's look at your overall energy. Your overall energy is the Fool, that's Aquarius or Aries energy. And I see this as a new beginning, okay, but we are going to get to it. Let's look at your person's overall energy. Your person's overall energy is the Seven of Swords. Okay, I dropped a card, I'm going to pick it up. Seven of Swords here. Just give me a minute, guys. Okay, what fell is the Hierophant. Um, so, Seven of Swords on your person's side. Let's look at your current situation. The current situation between the two of you is Sun. That's clarity, that's Leo energy. So what I see here is Libra, you are ready to take some kind of a leap of faith here. You're looking at something new. There is a new beginning, a new start, and like I said, you are not holding yourself back. You're ready for new adventures, and it looks like you are excited about this new beginning. This person, however, Seven of Swords here, it feels like they are running away from their feelings, or there's something that they are not telling you. Okay, we are going to clarify this. The current situation between the two of you is Sun. So this is a lot of happiness and abundance. This is a soulmate connection. This is also about clarity. So let's clarify and let's look at your energy, the Fool. Let's clarify that. You've got the Four of Pentacles with the Knight of Cups. This person, why do they have the Seven of Swords, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Seven of Cups? The Sun, why is this your current energy? The Page of Pentacles and the Lovers. So look at that. There is a strong soulmate connection here. So the both of you feel this strong chemistry, and you can't explain why. You may have just met this person recently, and you are not able to figure why you are feeling this way. So yes, this seems like a past life connection, or this feels like a soulmate relationship. There is a friendship here, or there's something a bit more than a friendship maybe, because on your side I see that you have romantic feelings for this person, but you're holding back a little bit, maybe because this is new. You don't want to spook this person, you don't want to scare this person off. They, on the other hand, are running away from their feelings. They want to, they know that this is something that's long term. They know that this is very stable. They know that this is this is a relationship that will really uh, turn into maybe a long term commitment. But they are trying to they are scared to admit their feelings. Okay, they have a lot of options as well, and they may not be wanting to commit, or maybe they feel they are not ready for it. They are very confused. So which is why I feel that they are just trying to escape from their feelings at this time. So let's see what is your current feelings for this person. Libra, your current feelings for this person is a Ten of Wands. You want to, you don't want to play games anymore. You don't want to be you don't want to be holding back anything. You want to be open and transparent. You want to tell them how you really feel. So at some point, you're going to feel the baggage, the burden of unexpressed feelings and emotions. The Six of Cups is here. You also have some kind of past history where things have not really gone down too well in previous relationships. You don't want to repeat those same mistakes. Okay, you've learned from those mistakes, and somewhere you feel that you know this person from somewhere, from some time. It's possible that you have known this person since a long time, and maybe you were friends then, but now you're getting another opportunity with them to reconnect, and you want to make the most of it. You don't want to let go of this time, this opportunity. So Temperance, you're trying to bring balance in your energy. You want an equal give and take kind of an energy here, and you're willing to work towards it. Now this person's feelings for you, The Nine of Pentacles. This person is very attracted to you. They do have strong feelings, but they are not wanting to take action. Okay, they are waiting. Maybe they are planning, they are seeing what's out there for them. They are not very sure this is something they want at this time. At the same time, there is a bit of an impulsiveness here because they truly feel the connection as much as you do. So there's only so much they can hold back on. There are times when they just want to reach out and say things and express themselves, but they hold themselves back. Okay, so let's see what is your intention for this relationship. Your intention is the Four of Cups. You're going to you're going to try reaching out to this person, but if this is not going anywhere, you feel that you may lose interest. There's some kind of conflict here. You also feel that there may be other people interfering in this relationship. This person has other options, and you don't want to be party to that. Okay, you want to genuinely put effort, but you are not in for the drama. So if there is some drama, you may just back out. This person's intention for this relationship, they want balance, they want a long term relationship. So their intention is to have that relationship with you. They want to come towards you. They want a successful relationship here, but they want to be worthy of your attention and love. So they are working on themselves. Okay, they're working on their self confidence. So let's see what is your action going to be towards this person. What action will you take? I see you being very stuck because you don't know what to do. You are hitting a roadblock every time you want to move forward. You feel the situation is very in and out, very hot and cold. So you may, yes, you have passion for this person, but when it comes to taking action, you feel very helpless. Or even if you do take action, you feel the situation is going nowhere. So let's see this person's action towards you. They are going to take that leap of faith. They are going to be ready for that next phase of life. I see them coming with a small offer, an apology maybe, or a new beginning in love. Yeah, Ten of Cups. So I see the action coming from this person's side because you are confused by this person's in and out, hot and cold energy. Outcome for this relationship, outcome is the King of Wands. So yes, there's going to be action. This person is going to take that action towards you. I see that this is a phase that you both are going through. It's a bit unpredictable. It's a bit up and down, but there is stability coming in. So you both are transitioning, going towards calmer waters, and there is a new beginning in love here. So whatever you're expecting in this connection, that's happening, and this person is finally manning up, or whatever, being. It doesn't matter what gender they are, but they are going to be open and honest about their intentions and their relationship and everything. Okay, and their feelings. So they're coming towards you, Libra. I see a lot of fire signs here. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You could be dealing with a fire sign. I see Gemini as well, and Libra. I see Libra, so that's your energy. And I see water signs. Okay, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's look at your person's message. I wish I could share my good news with you. I'm so attracted to you. I left you before you could leave me. And I know that I crossed the line with you. So this is what I have for you guys. I hope this helps and resonates. If it does, please do give me a like, share, do subscribe to my channel. If you wish to book a personal reading, you can reach out to me on my email ID, my website, or my WhatsApp number. And I will be back with another reading. Do subscribe, like, and comment. I will see you soon. Take care.